song about a little friend of mine who I don't see so often anymore. He was really nice. Dodo Bird, I heard you went extinct long ago, is it so? Dodo, Dodo, you're too sweet and too tasty as meat, running around those rugged Portuguese feet. Far too tasty not to eat. Dodo, do me so do. Dodo, you want to play every day, but get realistic. You can't fly away. You thought those sailors were good men. Now no one will ever meet a dodo bird again. Dodo. Darwin doesn't have to know that it's so hard to say goodbye. Remember when guten Tag, hola, hola, comment ça va, ni hao, bow wow, namaste, namaste, shalom, hello, goodbye, peace, it's better that way, una cerveza, por favor, what's up, biatch, stop